What's up ulit guys? So ako nga po ulit to para magbabalik para maglaro ng horror game. So yes, ang lalaroin po natin ngayon ay SpongeBob, the horror game. So yes, start na po natin. Dang! Ay! Skeleton. Dang! Uy, ba't naglag? It was a normal day in under city. You were hungry and wanted a human patty, so you decide to go to the Krusty Krab restaurant. Okay. Ayan. Oh. Please connect your device to internet. Dang! Use. Run. Oh, no! Oh, dang! Dang! Oh! Dang! Lang! Uy, huwag ka makulit! Uy! Oy! Wala. Wala. Uy! Makulit! Use. Why are you? Shit. Squidward ba talaga to? Oh, use. Okay, welcome to Krusty Krab restaurant. What can... Yun na nga. Welcome to Krusty Krab and restaurant. Once can I get you? So, blah blah blah. Use. Dang! Select one to order. Puro human patty. So yes, sa gitna tayo guys. I would like a human patty please. Ba't nakatingin ako dito? Oh, okay. Use. Find a seat. I will tell you when it's ready. Okay. Ano ba? So, yun na nga po. Use. Uy, sino yun? Uy, teka lang. Uy, huwag ka makulit. Huwag ka makulit. Dang, dead body naman natin yung isda dun. Ayun, nakita ko na. Okay, press use. First stand. Oh, tapos.
Don't make the wrong choice. Spend better.
Lo! Interrupt. Oh, patay na isda. Interrupt. Wala nga. Ketchup naman ata to. Okay, so doon tayo. It's my blah blah blah. Yes! It's almost done, but we are run out of patty, so I might take a longer. So yes. Is there any way to speed it up? Oh! Oh, use. Opo na lang po ng opo. Oh. Okay, ano nang gagawin ko? I have to get... Okay. So... Uy, huwag ka lag. So... Use. Hello! Oh, dang. Use. Ayaw. Use. Well, thank you. Okay, so yun na nga po. Kableng! Oh, dang. Use. Hello? Oh, babalik na tayo dun. Wait, tingin sa likod. Tingin sa harap. Kablong, kableng. Boom. Okay. Right side. Paligtad. Paligtad naman na ako. Ano wag na? Uy. Wala nga. Ano ba yung patugtog na yun? Oh, dang. Interact. Oh, wala. Why are you? Oh, tapos na. Oh, tapos na nga. Boom. Kek. Oh, saan napunta? Ay, o nga, dito. Ayaw na. Ayun. Oh, tapos na. Ah! Ayun. Okay na. Tadaan! Ano? Ano ginagawa ako dito? Uy, kamaulit. Uy, baka may huminga. Okay. Oh, sit down and enjoy your human patty. Okay, thank you.
Payday sale on TikTok Shop. Crazy.
Okay. So much. Hold and eat. Minecraft. That human body tastes like my grandma told me. Oh, tapos na. Wow, ang laki naman. What? So you're saying you don't have the money for the human party with your... Oh, dang! Naging Facebook! Ayun, okay na. Wow, nakita ko na lahat. Dang! Oh, dang! Ba't dalawang mata mo? Tabo! Oh, hey, are you okay? Why are you stuck in the cage? Ba't nga ba ako nakatingin sa likod? I was trying to steal the secret from you, but I failed. And Mr. Crab put me in this cage. How did you got stuck in this room? Did you try? I was locked the cage and swallowed the key, but good luck anyway. Okay. And then ads. Oh, okay. So, 1, 2. So, napaka-common sense na po yan. Guys, napaka-common sense na po yan. Kung anong star yun nandyan, syempre bibilangin mo. Yung box, I, 2. Yung fish, T, 3. Na! Ah! Oh, thank you. Kung gano'n kadali, diba? Boom. Kablek, kek. Hello? Wala. Ano kaya doon? Oh, dang. Well, hello. Crowbar. Okay. Saan tayo? Interact. Okay. Oh, dang! You're free! You're free, bang! Oh, thank you for saving me. Okay, thank you. O, tara na. Let's go and find a way out the... Blah, blah, blah. Sorry, guys. Na medyo mabilis talaga yung ano na ito. Ayaw. Uy! Ay! Wala kung sino na. The door is locked. I should find another ways to escape. Oh, Okay, use. Press to continue. Eh, ayaw naman na. So guys, ito muna natin tatapusan na itong SpongeBob horror game. So guys, so kung nagustuhan nyo itong video ito, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next episode. God, peace. Bye!